What's going on YouTube? It's Blake back here with another YouTube video, and today is going to be a bit different from the normal content that I drop. Today I want to talk about my experience getting out of college and looking for an IT job that suited my major. I know it can be hard and deterring at some points, but hopefully with my advice and guidance, looking back on what I would have done differently would help alleviate those pain points that you guys are experiencing at the moment. And look, I know the job process can be tiresome and gruesome and deterring at some points, but I'm here to help alleviate those pain points you're experiencing during your preparation by giving you the shortcuts I wish I would have known about or taken to help save myself time and better prepare myself. A little backstory, I graduated from Florida Atlantic University, originally pursuing a degree in computer science. Later on, I transitioned to management information systems to experience the business and technology side of things, working harmoniously together. That way I could get the best of both worlds. Before graduating, I took on a number of different projects to beef up my resume and confidence because I knew that job applications were right around the corner. So I took on internships where I could help encompass my skills for web development, API development, software development, and engineering, and so forth. This method worked out well for me, but I never really knew what I was doing at the time. I was just doing things that I thought could help position me for success once I got the job I wanted. I never really had any guidance on what to do. I feel like a lot of you are in this situation and can use some guidance to help make the best of your time before graduating and applying to those jobs that you want. Now, looking back at where I started, I can confidently say that there are easier ways to set yourself up for success when applying for IT jobs. Whether that's software engineering, software sales, solution engineering, software development, you name it. Without further ado, let's jump right into the 3 hidden gems that I want to recommend and share with you. If I could talk to my younger self right now, I would tell him to sign up for a free tier account based on any of the following cloud providers, such as Oracle, Google, Microsoft, or even Amazon. Now, all of these companies have some type of free tier service they offer towards their customers, which enable you to test their cloud products and solutions for free. Let's pick on Oracle as an example. So let's go ahead and search for Oracle free tier on Google. Click that link that pops up. Here you will have a landing page with Oracle's cloud free tier and what they have to offer. There are 2 different types of offerings: the always free cloud services and the 30-day free trial. The 30-day free trial is the one you will be taking advantage of first. So how does it work? You can use your always free resources as long as you want with no time constraints, subject only to the capacity limits noted. When your 30-day trial period for the expanded set of services ends, you can continue using always free services with no interruption. Always free and free trial instances can seamlessly upgrade to paid at any time, and existing Oracle Cloud customers have access to always free services automatically with no new sign up required. Let's look at what the 30-day free trial has to offer. $300 in US free credits, access to a wide range of Oracle Cloud services for 30 days, such as database, analytics, compute, container engine for Kubernetes, up to 8 instances across all available services, and up to 5 terabytes of storage. So let's click below and see a list of eligible services. We have infrastructure, we have databases, we have application development, analytics, integration, security, observability and management, and lastly, content management. This is everything you can try with the Oracle Cloud free trial. Alright, so now that we know what the offering consists of, all we have to do is click Start to Free to get started with this free trial. You're going to go ahead and click on your country. You're going to want to input your name and last name, as well as an email that is valid, and you're going to have to select this CAPTCHA. So once you verify your email, you will get an email sent to that email you put into the chat box, and then you can follow the next steps to complete your sign up. Do note that you need a credit card to start. If you do not have a credit card, if you are below 18, I've seen and done research on people using prepaid debit cards with $0 balance on them, and it still confirms as a valid credit card. So if you want to go ahead and use that method, you can go ahead and use that. If you're above 18, just go ahead and put a credit card down. They won't be taking any of your money as it is free. I will also put the link into the description regarding the sign up process and how to access it. Okay, so after you sign up for the free tier and you get the email with the next steps and you have completed that, you should go ahead and try to sign into Oracle's cloud. Simply by typing Oracle Cloud into Google will do the job. Click on this link and click on the top right, sign into Oracle Cloud. Your credentials will be different than mine because you're in a free tier account. I have an always free account, so don't match your credentials to mine. Just input what the email told you to. So click next. I'm gonna log in really quickly. And now you should have access to your OCI landing page. So what do you do with all of this information now? You've signed up, you've signed into Oracle Cloud. Now what can I do to learn? Thanks to Kay Malcolm and her Live Labs team for creating free guided practices in any IT area you want to develop skills in or learn more about. Alright, so we can leave this tab open and go ahead and search for Live Labs for Oracle. Go ahead and click on that first link. For example, you have Live Labs focus on categories for developers, database administrators, data scientists, DevOps, and low-code developers. That will help you become acquainted with enterprise use cases and solutions very fast. All you have to do is click on the category you want, select a lab, click Start, click Run on Live Lab Sandbox. It'll ask you to sign in with your credentials. And then boom, just like that, you are able to work on this lab. So just wait for it to load a second. So after you click on Run on Live Lab Sandbox for free, you should be presented with a landing page that looks like this and possesses the instructions required for that lab that you selected. So here you have an introduction, you have a Get Started tab, how to log in, the first lab and all of its tasks and instructions, and everything is visually guided and completely explained, so you won't really have room for error. And it goes like that for every single lab. Any lab you select in Live Labs will have the same setup. It's really easy to get acquainted with. And just like that, you can get started on your first Live Lab. All you have to do is sit back and relax, follow these instructions, and complete them in your Oracle Cloud infrastructure. This is a great way to get yourself acquainted with enterprise technology, and it'll allow you to add this to your resume to make you stand out. Go ahead and feel free to drop a comment on your favorite Live Lab or whichever one you're working on. The link to access Live Labs will also be included in the description below. Next, I would like to recommend certifications. I know most of you are all about tired of taking exams at this point and thought it was the end. However, we all thought wrong. In the world of information technology, I feel like certifications help delineate and make you stand out against the competition and allow you to validate yourself and your experiences with certified IT courses. There are a plethora of certifications out there to help you get started, prepped up, and ready to go. Oracle actually has a university, which is almost like any live lecture in class, but you can work at your own pace. Once you finish the course, you can have access to taking the certifications. So to access Oracle University, all we would have to do is go into Google and type in Oracle University, click the first link under education.oracle.com, sign up, and then you can get started with earning an Oracle certification. Oracle certifications are led by digital training experts, and you can start learning now by clicking this button. You can view the most popular certifications by clicking on the certification tab, going to most popular and viewing all certifications. Now, once we click on that, we will be presented with all certifications by products. So we can see each category has a different number of certifications associated with a different product, such as software with Oracle Database, Java, MySQL, such as systems with Oracle Engineered Systems, Exadata, and Oracle Storage. And there's plenty of more middleware applications, operating systems, virtualizations, digital assistants and OCI, and the list goes on. So if I wanted to learn more about a particular section, I could just click the drop down menu and I will be presented with a list of different certifications related to that drop down. So if I wanted to get a MySQL certified exam going on, I could go right down here, click on MySQL database administration, and I will see a bunch of links that let me access the certifications and the courses that are required to complete it. Once again, I will provide the Oracle University link in the description below. I also recommend that you guys comment what certifications you're working on. I can help you find guides and advice if I've taken any of them before. Remember, it has to be Oracle certifications because that is the company I got my certifications from while I was working for them. I think it feels really good when you get them done and you can post them on LinkedIn for awareness in your network and community. Do keep in mind that other cloud vendors like Amazon have certifications as well. So get certified ASAP, and the link is in the description for accessing Oracle certifications. Comment below what certifications you would like to take, and I can do my best to provide any guides or guidance, even advice, as I've probably taken these exams before. Remember, it has to be Oracle certified because that's the company that I was working for while I was obtaining my certifications. It feels good when you get them done and you can post them on LinkedIn for your community and to build awareness and maybe even branding. Do keep in mind that other cloud vendors such as Amazon do have certifications available as well. So I challenge you guys to get certified as soon as possible. I will put the link in the description in regards to accessing the Oracle University website and getting started. Once again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I can help you guys find things in the university as well. This leads me into my last point, which is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a moneymaker. I feel like if you post on it and you show what you're working on and you're passionate about, your community, your network will grow alongside that, and you will be completely satisfied. I think LinkedIn is probably the top community out there that will actually help if you reach out, because there are people that were in our shoes and have experienced what we have experienced. So I don't see why you wouldn't hop on LinkedIn, reach out to somebody that might work for that company that you're excited about, and try to reverse engineer a conversation like, what did you do to get into that position? Keep me in the loop if there's any job openings coming up, or if there's any trainings or courses, or like even little internal hackathons. Like, there could be anything. So my goal to you is, and I challenge you guys to completely step out your comfort zone, go try some of these 3 hidden gems that I offered and see where it gets you. Alright everyone, those are my top 3 gems that I would recommend for trying to transition out of college and getting that dream IT job you want. I am also here to help, so feel free to comment on any content you guys want to see more of, or if you have any questions or want me to talk more about something, or even just random thoughts you guys might have. Feel free to comment it and I will reply. Stay tuned and have a great day, guys. Bye.